Guys, we are preparing for the wedding. We are preparing for the wedding. Welcome guys to motherhood lifestyle. You can see my baby is already grown and we're just sitting here relaxing, and I'm giving him milk. I normally pump, and of course I'm giving him pumped milk. Just relaxing. He's about to sleep. After I give him milk, I make him to sleep, and then I continue doing my stuffs.
Since 1995, growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting.
Guys, who can watch this corner of mine? This is my baby's photo that we took when he was 2 months old. Look at this one, look at this one. And here he was 3 months, and here he was 5 months, and here you can see it's big grown 6 months. Yeah, the decors are very cute. This is a letter from there. Look, at this one was a gift. I need to remove this thing here. And this is a book that we celebrated. Oh, look at this thing here. Ooh. So cute. So I was showing you the book. This book is so cute inside, guys. During my baby shower, everyone was taking their photos, writing their letters to us, as you can see. So the photos of people in the this is his Oma, Oma, great grandma. This is the Oma, the grandma now. This is his aunt, the cousin. So many people who came in my baby shower. I can't finish opening it, guys, and look at this cute thing here. I made 2 of them, this one here and this here, and small shoes here for him. Yeah, without forgetting how much I have missed you guys. I got to work. I studying my language school soon. I am doing motherhood round and everything, and guys, I tell you, right now I just want to sleep. And a way to make a mama happy, just buy her pampers. Oh my god, buy her diapers. You gonna make that mama so happy. I never knew diapers are this expensive and the babies can really pee and do stuff. I tell you. Oh my god, oh my god. Mtoto anakuja na sahani lakini Pampers, my friend, utanunua a lot. You have to buy. You have to buy a lot. Oh my god. And these are the wipes I'm using, guys. It's called Baby Glook. Happy Baby. I think that's what they mean. They are so soft and so nice and affordable also, and they are not interfering with my baby's skin. They're so good. If you're in Germany, get yourself this and try them out. Yeah. Finally, I did my hair, guys. I tried to do my hair on my own.
Been friends since 1995.
Look at my hair. Oh my god, it's giving. I did it myself. I did it. I did it, guys. I did it. I did it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. My hair, it's still growing. I did it not so perfect, but it's better than the way I normally leave my hair look so shaggy. Hey, this one, it will push me for a week or so. Guys, making hair in Germany, it's super expensive. I know it's affordable to some people, but honestly speaking, if you're a hustler like me, when you're a volunteer like me, I'm volunteering, I'm doing FSC, you end up spending 300, 400 euros just for the hair. My goodness, not now, not now. So guys, in Germany, you have to learn to do a lot of stuff by yourself, especially making hair and doing stuff in the house. You gotta do what you gotta do to fix your life yourself. Otherwise, if you bring people to do it for you, you're gonna pay a lot of cash. You also have to learn new skills by yourself. That's why I was learning to do my hair. I have been really trying to keep it natural, shaggy style, but I was like, enough is enough. I was looking so crazy. And this life, if you're not coming out to try things out, you'll never know if you can. And check out, guys, how I did, and I think it's giving. It's giving, guys. It's giving. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I know it's not so perfect, but it's giving. Today I have no makeup. I have no time for that. Guys, we are preparing for the wedding. We are preparing for the wedding. And guess what? Guess what? Guess who is going to do the wedding? Guess who is going to do the wedding? Ubarashung, surprise. I will surprise you. Keep watching. Keep tuning in. Keep following up, okay? My subscribers, my fans, my people, my lovers. Do not left behind. Udaku haitaki uzembe. Do not be left behind. Who is this beautiful lady going to do the wedding? I can't wait to show you the picture, the video, and everything. So guys, stay tuned for today's video. It's not a lot. Just follow up and see what is happening. Woohoo! Guys, I was making mandazis and look how they came out. I was trying to make them. They look yummy and they taste yummy. This, look at this. I was so tired when I was making them. Anyways, it's just for me. Hey, and finally I closed my hair for work tomorrow. I want to go and sleep right now. I'm just done. Guys, I don't know why I'm carrying this, but it's plastic. It's plastic. Anyway, social media people be like, my honey bought this for me. Otherwise, we know that sometimes you people, you lie a lot. Oh, hey, your social media, it's a scam. You bought it for yourself and you're lying to us that it is your man who bought it for you. Please do not give us pressure. Anyway, that aside, I'm just saying thank you so much, guys, for watching till to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye. Have this.